In this video, I'll guide you through how to exit Steam Big Picture Mode. If you've accidentally entered Steam Big Picture Mode or simply want to switch back to the standard Steam desktop interface, this tutorial will walk you through the process. The steps are quick and easy, and by the end of this guide, you'll be back to the normal Steam layout. I'll also show you how to prevent Steam from launching in Big Picture Mode automatically if that keeps happening on your computer. To begin, if you're currently in Steam Big Picture Mode, the quickest way to bring up the menu is by pressing the Escape key on your keyboard. You'll find the Escape key in the top left corner of most keyboards. Pressing it opens the side menu, giving you access to several options within Big Picture Mode. If you're using a controller or prefer not to use the keyboard, you can achieve the same result by selecting the menu button located in the bottom left corner of the screen. This will open the same side menu, so either method works perfectly depending on how you're using Steam. Once the side menu is open, look toward the bottom of the list and select the Power option. After opening the Power menu, you'll see an option labeled Exit Big Picture Mode. Click on it, and Steam will immediately close the Big Picture interface and return you to the standard desktop version of Steam. From there, you can continue using Steam and your computer as you normally would. If you notice that Steam keeps opening directly into Big Picture Mode every time you launch it, there's a simple setting you can change. After returning to the normal Steam interface, click Steam in the top left corner, then open Settings. In the Settings window, select Interface from the menu on the left side. Scroll down until you find the option that controls whether Steam starts in Big Picture Mode. Make sure that setting is turned off so Steam launches in its regular desktop interface the next time you open the application. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily exit Steam Big Picture Mode whenever you need to and stop it from opening automatically in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.